The drone community is abuzz, whispers turn to excitement. Leaks became reality. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is finally here. This isn't just another drone, it's a statement. DJI has listened to creators. They've packed flagship features into a compact, travel-friendly package. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. The Mini 4 Pro is a giant leap forward. It's clear DJI is serious about empowering creators. With this release, they've set a new standard for mini drones. Get ready to experience the future of aerial filmmaking. The Mini 4 Pro is here to redefine what's possible. It's time to elevate your creative potential and capture the world from breathtaking new perspectives. The unboxing experience sets the tone. DJI knows how to make a first impression. The Mini 4 Pro arrives in a sleek, compact box. Lifting the lid reveals the drone nestled securely inside. You'll find everything you need to get started. The package includes the drone itself, a controller, and a battery. You also get extra propellers and charging cables. DJI even includes a handy carrying case. The build quality is exceptional. The drone feels solid and well made. It's lightweight yet durable. You can tell that DJI has paid attention to every detail. The Mini 4 Pro builds upon the success of its predecessor. But it's not just a minor refresh, this is a significant upgrade. There are improvements across the board. The camera is a major highlight. The Mini 4 Pro boasts a larger sensor. This translates to better image quality. You'll notice more detail and improved low-light performance. The Mini 4 Pro also introduces a higher frame rate for slow-motion footage. Obstacle avoidance has been enhanced. The Mini 4 Pro now features omnidirectional sensing. This means it can detect obstacles from all directions. This makes flying safer and easier, especially for beginners. The first flight is always exhilarating. The Mini 4 Pro takes off smoothly. It hovers effortlessly, waiting for your command. The controls are intuitive and responsive. The drone feels incredibly stable in the air, even in windy conditions. This stability is crucial for capturing smooth cinematic footage. The camera quality is simply stunning. Colors are vibrant and true to life. The footage looks incredibly professional. You can easily capture breathtaking aerial shots that will impress your audience. The Mini 4 Pro makes it easy to create cinematic masterpieces. Section 5 Intelligent Flight Modes, your personal film crew. The Mini 4 Pro isn't just about hardware, it's also packed with intelligent features. These features make it easier than ever to capture professional-looking footage. Active Track 360 is a game changer. This feature allows the drone to follow a subject automatically. It even keeps the subject in frame as it moves. Imagine yourself hiking, biking, or surfing. The Mini 4 Pro can effortlessly film your every move. Waypoint mode lets you pre-program a flight path. This is perfect for capturing complex shots that would be difficult to achieve manually. The drone will fly the designated route, capturing stunning footage along the way. Section 6 Battery Life. Fly longer, worry less. Battery life is crucial for any drone. The Mini 4 Pro excels in this area. It offers an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes. This gives you more time in the air to capture the perfect shot. You won't have to worry about constantly swapping batteries. This extended flight time allows you to focus on being creative. Spend less time grounded and more time capturing stunning aerial footage. The included controller features a built-in screen. This eliminates the need to use your smartphone. This makes it easier to frame shots and control the drone. Section 7 Price Point. Is it worth the investment? The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a premium drone. It's priced accordingly. But the question is it worth the investment? The answer in most cases is a resounding yes. The Mini 4 Pro offers an incredible value proposition. It delivers flagship features in a compact and portable package. The combination of its powerful camera, intelligent flight modes, and extended battery life makes it an exceptional value. If you're serious about aerial photography and filmmaking, the Mini 4 Pro is worth every penny. It's an investment that will pay dividends in the quality of your content. Section 8. Who should upgrade? The Mini 4 Pro is an enticing upgrade for many users. If you're using an older drone, especially a non-DJI model, the upgrade is a no-brainer. You'll immediately notice a significant improvement in image quality, flight performance, and intelligent features. For Mini 3 Pro owners, the decision is a bit more nuanced. The Mini 4 Pro offers significant upgrades. These include the camera, obstacle avoidance, and battery life. However, if you're on a tight budget, the Mini 3 Pro is still a capable machine. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade depends on your individual needs and budget. If you demand the absolute best image quality, intelligent features, and safety features, the Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Section 9. Final verdict. A new era for mini drones. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game changer. It redefines what's possible in a mini drone. It's a testament to DJI's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of aerial technology. This drone is perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a complete beginner, the Mini 4 Pro empowers you to elevate your creativity. Its ease of use, intelligent features, and exceptional camera make it the ultimate tool for capturing the world from above. The Mini 4 Pro isn't just a drone, it's your passport to adventure. It's time to explore the world from a whole new perspective. Embrace the future of aerial filmmaking with the DJI Mini 4 Pro.